Look at that. That's amazing.
Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, in this Gyeon series of videos that I have been doing recently, we are on to testing out Quick View. Let's do it. So over the last few weeks, you guys, I've put out some Gyeon videos. The first one was the can coat right here on the journey. And then we waited a week and then I topped it with the Gyeon wax and I put that video out last weekend. I will put a link to both of those up here somewhere for you guys. You can go and check those videos out if you'd like to see those first. We have two more products to review from Gyeon, which is the Quick View, which is what we're doing in this video. And then the last one is a Restart Wash, which is what we're going to maintain it with. This is the Restart shampoo that has the iron remover in it. That is usually what causes coatings to get clogged, is contaminants. So that's what that shampoo is going to be good for. With Quick View, you guys, as you notice, once again, I will always point this out. Their bottling and packaging is always fantastic at Gyeon. It's something that always grabs your attention, which is obviously why they do it. So it's in a box. You lift the box open. There is the Quick View itself. As you can see, liquid is inside here. And then the actual applicator, you twist the top off and it is felt. Hopefully it camera focuses in on that felt applicator. You're going to squeeze it and then you're going to do circular patterns. I've already watched several videos on YouTube on how to do it. Great design here because then you can just set it down when you're done, and that's it. You don't have to worry about spilling out. It's got the nice cap on it. But it says quick and easy application, repels water and dirt effectively, increases safety in harsh road conditions. So in this video, you guys, I'm going to show you the easy steps that I took to prepare the windshield to receive this coating. I did not take any video of me washing the car or anything like that because it's already washed from applying the can coat and the wax. So what I did is I went over it with a nanoskin clay towel and one of my favorite detail sprays right now as my lubricant to decontaminate the windshield. After I get done decontaminating the windshield, you guys, I wanted to go ahead and hit it with a glass polish with a glass rayon disc on my polisher. I'm using my Ryobi battery operated polisher. I just need to go over and smooth out the glass basically. It'll remove any type of bug etching you may have from bug guts that may be on your glass, any water spots that may be on there. Because you got to remember, once you apply this, whatever's on the glass is stuck underneath this and you may see it for a while until this finally wears off in the future. So once I got done doing that, I went over it with a paint prep. That's just an alcohol-based paint prep on the glass to remove any polishing oils from the glass polish that I used and make sure that this windshield is ready to receive the coating. So once I'm done with all those steps, you guys, I'm gonna pull it outside. We're gonna spray some water on it so I can show you that the glass sealant that was on there is gone. This is not a step that you have to do. I'm doing this just for the video to show you guys that there's nothing left on the windshield. Spray water on it, make sure that we don't see anything on there. And I'm gonna dry the windshield, bring it inside, put some tape on it, and now we're gonna install the coating. All right, you guys, so it's in, the windshield is dry. I've got the tape line down, as you guys can see right there. Now what's crazy is I have you guys on a suction cup so I can give you guys a really good view of the application process. This is the side that has the Gyeon can coat with the wax on top of it. The suction cup will not stick to this paint, so I'm hoping you guys don't fall over. So we're just gonna sit you there and hopefully we're good to go. I do have my glove on, as you can see, like they recommend. And shake it up. I've never used this, so I guess you squeeze it. I've watched a couple videos. But it's nice you don't have to hold an applicator. And remember, we're gonna do circles. Kind of different, that's for sure. You can hear it's a little squeaky. It looks like as you run out, just squeeze it again. You know, I don't even think you have to squeeze it. I think you have to just press it down. Yeah, I think that's what you do. Maybe not, I don't know. First time using it. Sure I got everywhere. Go right up this tape line one more time.
Just like that. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Maybe this view will show you. Yeah, you can see it. Got a nice, good coat all the way across the glass. And hopefully you guys can see that. We're gonna wait 5 minutes and we'll take it off. All right, you guys, so it has been 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and remove it. I do wanna apologize. I watched the video back while I was waiting on this to cure, and I noticed that the camera was a little crooked. Hopefully you guys are straight now. Once again, I apologize, but I can't redo it, obviously, so sorry about the crooked photo or video. But I do wanna show you, I am using purified water basically right here. Bottled water. I'm gonna spray it onto my towel to dampen it. And we're just gonna go in and we're just gonna wipe it. There we go. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple. Take the tape off. Now I will do a water test on this tomorrow. I'm not gonna get in a hurry. I'm gonna let this cure. It doesn't say there's a cure time, but I'm gonna let it cure. And tomorrow when I get home from work, we'll do the water test. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go around and do the rest of the glass. As you can tell, the glass looks really good. I don't see any leftovers, maybe right there that I may have missed. Yeah, that was easy. All right, you guys, so it has been 24 hours, actually well over 24 hours. I'll show you the side that we applied it to. Everything looks good, other than a couple like cat hairs or something on there. And then I applied it to all of the glass. And, you know, I kept calling it a coating in my intro and stuff. I think this is more along the lines of a glass sealant, like I've used from other companies before. It smells like it, it acts like it as far as wipe off, removal. I don't think this is a coating. Correct me if I am wrong in the comments, but pretty sure this is just more of a glass sealant. But all the glass looks really good. Easy on, easy off, you guys. It just doesn't get any easier. I'm going to do my best to not get this on the paint because it is very, very hot today and very humid. It will dry really quick. I don't want to get any water spotting. So we're going to start with the non-coated side first, which is the driver's side. You can see the line already. I'm hoping the GoPro's picking that line up right there. Non-coated to coated side. Non-coated, coated. Or whatever, here I am saying it again. Protected, how about that? Look at that difference. And such an easy, easy application process. Go ahead and flood it. Let's go over here on this side and flood it. Looks awesome, you guys, up close. All right, there's your line. Water just falls right off of it. Look at that. That's amazing. There you go. Let me dry this and I'll show you guys the side glass. All right, so I got everything dry there. Now, obviously you didn't see me apply onto the side glass, but I did the glass, I did the mirrors, but we're just gonna I'm gonna show you here on this one right here. And what the heck, we'll see what the wax looks like here, also the Gyeon wax. I never tried it on the door or anything when I applied it, so here we go. Look at that. Can't keep that wet. You guys, this is sick right here. I know this is not part of this video,
The hydrophobics of Gyeon wax is ridiculous.
I mean, that looks awesome right here.
But this, I could do this all day.
So if you're in a storm and you're sitting at a stop and you look out your glass, you don't have just a sheet of water on there. The water's gonna be gone. You'll be safe to look and see if cars are coming either direction. Okay, so now that the water test is over, I wanted to do something real quick so it's catching the water off my wipers because the hood is so slick from the can coat and the wax that as soon as the water hits, it just goes right down here. So I put the towels underneath there to catch it. I decided, I went ahead and put on this side now that the water test is over, and I decided to go ahead and put a second coat on this side. Why not? Let's test it. Let's see how much longer the second coat, this one will last than that one having 2 coats on it, or if it lasts any longer. The funny thing is you can see my tape line right there. So yeah, so we're gonna I'm gonna let it dry for 5 minutes, remove it, and then that way when I do my durability test, we'll remember the driver's side 1 coat, passenger side has 2 coats. People are going to ask, well, if you lay it upside down, how does it not leak out? I'm gonna show you. There's actually a stopper in this cap, and that stopper goes inside there. And when you squeeze this, let me show you. See that? It got wet right there. That's what happens. It comes right out of the middle, but that stopper is what's going to keep it from leaking out when you have it like that. All right, you guys. Gyeon Q2 Quick View is definitely a win product for me. Absolutely love it. Like I said in the video though, I don't believe this is a coating. I kept saying coating. I apologize. I believe this is just a glass sealant because it's a quick way to get protection on your glass. That's why it's called Quick View. But then they have View, which is going to be your true hard solids coating for your glass. But either way though, it's quick, it's easy. The hydrophobics are great. I don't see like where I missed wiping off anywhere. It was really, really easy to remove. Wait 5 minutes, you're good. Now I just did the windshield again, like I showed you a minute ago, the whole entire windshield, and I got busy and it was about 10 minutes and I still had 0 issues with wipe off. So you're not gonna have an issue with wipe off with this product right here, you guys. And the great thing about a product like Quick View, you guys, is it's something you can easily do on your own at home. You don't have to worry about getting high spots or leaving it on too long or not be able to remove it or anything like that. But what this is going to do is it's going to protect the glass. And anytime it's raining, especially a downpour, you're going to be able to see better, whether it's snow, rain, sleet. I mean, because we see sleet and everything like that here in Indiana. It's going to make it just go down. And if you're doing 55 miles an hour or more, it's just going to slide right up the windshield. And you really don't even need your wipers. But if you have a loved one in there, you have a kid, one of your kids in one of their cars in there, you know that they're going to have the best visibility possible with a product like this. This Journey has never looked as good as it's looking right now. All the years that we've owned it since it was brand new. We bought it brand new. These Gyeon products are making this car look fantastic. And we do have one video left to try their products, which is going to be the Restart Wash. I don't know when I'm going to get to this. I'm hoping I can have it out the following weekend after this one. Just really depends because it's been so hot here, and this has an iron remover in it. I cannot take a chance of it drying because it's so hot. It'll dry almost immediately here, and I can't wash in the garage anymore because of the products are in here, you guys. So if it's not out, look for it in the upcoming future because I definitely want to try this product out and see how well that shampoo works. But so far, absolutely loving these Gyeon products that I've tried, you guys. You can't go wrong with these products right here, especially like this video, Quick View. Fantastic, great product. And it took no time to install and remove around the entire car, you guys. So I want to say thank you guys so much for checking this video out. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. And we'll see you in the next video.